Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Thank you. Now, I go by the name of Mr. Sumare, an English teacher. Now, today we are going to see a lesson which is called the comparatives. Now, we have the comparatives. This is how to form a comparison. Now, comparatives is a word derived from the word comparison. Now, so we have to compare a person with another, and anymore with another, or a thing with another. So we use the comparative with adjectives. It is used with adjectives. And now, the comparatives are used with adjectives. Okay, so we have three types of comparatives. So we have three types of comparatives. Now, the first is, we have, we have comparative of equality. Now, second, we have comparative of inferiority. Now, third, they have comparative of superiority. They have comparative of superiority. Now, let's give a text, please. For example, when they have Ousseynou and Hassan are twins. Ousseynou and Hassan are twins, for example. Ousseynou has 10 out of 20 and Hassan has 15 out of 20 in English. So, Ousseynou is For example, 40 kilos and Hassan is, for example, 70 kilos. Okay, let's go with comparative number one, the comparative of equality. For example, now 1 0 comparative of equality. Now they have Usainu and Hassan. We have example with the comparative of equality. Usainu is as old as Hassan. They have Usainu is as old as Hassan. Now here we know the form of the comparative of equality. So is as plus adjective plus as. We have here comparative of equality. Now let's go with the second form. Okay. Comparative number 2. We have comparative of inferiority. Now 0. Comparative of inferiority. Comparative of inferiority. Comparative of inferiority. Now, so here, Usainu and Hassan are twins. Usainu has 10 out of 20 and Hassan has 15 out of 20 in English. Now, Usainu is 40 kilos and Hassan is 70 kilos. Now here, the comparative of equality. They have Usainu is as old as Hassan. So the form for the comparative of equality is as plus adjective plus as. Thanks. Now number 2, the comparative of inferiority. So we say here Usainu has 10 out of 20 and Hassan has 15 out of 20 in English. Let's take an example. We say here Usainu has 10 out of 20 and Hassan has 15 out of 20 Now we say Usainu is less. Usainu is less courageous than Hassan. Usainu is less courageous than than Hassan. So the form is here. The form for the comparative of inferiority is so less plus adjective plus than. Good. You have less plus adjective plus than. Now this is the form for a comparative of inferiority. Okay. So this is the form for a comparative of inferiority. We have less plus adjective plus than. Thank you very much. Now let's go with the third type.
Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com